welcome back. And you can have this tractor. This tractor, 6 months warranty. And you can have it for only $450,000. You can have this tractor. $450,000. Cash, no credit. And you can have it. And it even has a new Japanese standard battery. New tires. Very expensive tires. But the trailer does not go with it. You can buy the trailer extra. It sounds wonderful. So powerful. And you can go ahead and you can put a blade on it. And if you put a blade on it, you can do all kinds of plowing, moving of stumps. This is what you need for your farm. It's in Angat, Bulacan. We'll be glad to show you. You can test drive it. You can go up on my hill and you can try it out and see how powerful. Also it has, this one doesn't have lights. This one has lights, 4 lights. So either one you want, $450,000. Now we have a special here. Now the special, this is a fix-it special. Or there's the other one. There's 3, and then this is the 4th one. This one is wonderful because it's only $250,000. It needs one part. Can be machined or fixed for the axle, just right here. And you can have it for only $250,000. Isn't that a deal? Cash. And there's one more, but I don't know about that one. But this is the same one. 6060, and you can have it. You can have it today. You'll have to drive it home. We don't deliver, but there is a 6 months guarantee. So it has 2 lights. You can put more lights on it. More lights for the nighttime. And you would be amazed what it did on my steep hill up on the mountain. See, he builds nothing but quality. Look at this here. This is a wonderful project. Gonna have the tin and going to have a nice place for party time or debut or wedding, whatever you want. 2 CRs now, but this is just the beginning. Thank you for watching. You be sure and subscribe, and you have a very pleasant day. God bless you.